Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this time I want you to guess what are we going to work on. You got it right, the license plate. That's the joke of the day. Alright guys, on this car it's very simple. So I went to the auto part and I bought this. It's $24 including taxes, so it went up a little bit. But to get this out, preferably you open up the hood, and then you definitely have to pop up the light, raise it up. And so you see there are some screw here. You remove this one, you take it out, and then there's one right here, and then behind there is a third one. Okay, see, that's the first top part, the trim part. I unscrew it and access the screws on the second trim. You see, and once I remove that, then I will have access to the screws that bolted this. All right, it is out. And now to get to the bulb, or to the light. So you see there's that bracket here. That's what holds it in place. So 1, 2, and then we got 2 more screws, 3 and 4. So once I take this out, and this will be loosened up, and all I have. Okay, so you see I got the bracket out, the mounting bracket, and then so it is free, it's loose. All I have to do is just unplug it. All right, that's the old one, and this is the brand new one. And so all I have to do right now is transfer this, okay, to this. Okay, and this is the harness. You see it has 3, 1, 2, 3, and bulb, or I keep on saying bulb, but again it's one piece. So there is there's a bulb inside it, and then you got this this case, okay, and $23. Okay, yeah. So it's very easy. There you go. That was just a test to make sure that it works before I put it. I secured it, so it works. Mission accomplished. Thank you for watching.